What's up, YouTube? This video is gonna be about replacing this little part on your seatbelt. It's the one that attaches your seatbelt to that little thing. For mine, it wasn't working, and I had different seats on my GTS. I had the GT seats, which are the cloth, but I recently switched to my leather seats. So as you can see, that's where it's supposed to go. It's supposed to attach. The other one that I had, it just snapped off if you just flipped it. So you're gonna take off both of these 14mm bolts in the front, and then you're gonna do the ones in the back. Simple. Pull the seat back. After you do that, I have a video on how to do that. It's really simple though. You're gonna disconnect the airbag little switch on the bottom, and then the one for the little thing on the seatbelt. And then this right here, the cloth seats. Basically, all you're gonna do is you're gonna look for that little screw on the side. I think it's on the other side actually. And that little screw, take it off, and then it's gonna reveal that part of the seatbelt. This is the one that didn't work. Had already switched it. And after you remove that, there's gonna be a 14mm bolt right under that part where you attach your seatbelt to, which pretty straightforward. Just undo it, and then the little cable, the little connection that goes under, it's gonna be a little tricky to do, but it's connected to that part where you attach your seatbelt. So that 14mm connects to that. And then this right here is going to be connected. This is connected somewhere right there on the metal piece with a zip tie. And then the white part is right there, as you can see. But it is pretty straightforward. Then you just go under right there. It's going to be a little tricky. You just wiggle it around, and then it should come right off. Just to put it in, it's pretty simple as well. Just go back and do the same thing, and that's basically it. Just has a little cover, and if you ever need to change it for some reason, you can. It's way safer. Mine was just snapping off and it has some crap in there. So I hope this video helped someone. If it did, consider subscribing.